All right, picture this. You're in the shower, it's nice and warm, your hand's on that knob, and you've got a choice. You can do what you normally do, or you can do something that most people actively avoid every single day: turn it cold. I'm not talking cool, not lukewarm, I mean cold. So why on earth would anyone willingly do that? It sounds awful, right? Uncomfortable. Maybe even a little bit crazy. But what if I told you that one simple, intentional choice could completely change how you feel and how you perform for the entire rest of your day? And look, this isn't just some internet hype or some trend you see from extreme fitness gurus. Nope. There are real, proven, science-backed benefits behind this simple habit. And that's what we're going to do today. We're going to break it all down. All right, so let's just get right to the core of it. The cold water question. What's the big deal? What's the promise behind that blast of cold water?
I mean, seriously, what if just 60 seconds, 1 minute, could change your entire day? What if it could boost your mood, sharpen your focus, and, get this, literally train your mind to handle stress better? It sounds like a pretty big promise for something that takes less time than making a cup of coffee, right?
So, to really get why this works, we have to talk about a problem that most of us don't even realize we have. We're living in what you could call a modern comfort trap.
Just think about it for a second. We've kind of made this trade-off without even noticing. Our modern lives are filled with all these amazing comforts, warm showers, soft beds, an endless stream of easy dopamine from scrolling and snacking. But there's a hidden cost. Our bodies and minds, well, they stop having to adapt. We become less resilient, less focused, and way more sensitive to even the smallest bits of stress. What's really happening here is that your nervous system just isn't trained anymore. It's gotten, soft. It's deconditioned. And without those small, regular challenges, even tiny little discomforts can start to feel totally overwhelming. And this brings us right to the solution. I love this idea. You don't build mental strength in comfort. You build it in controlled discomfort. And a cold shower, it's probably one of the simplest, most accessible ways to do exactly that. It's a perfect example.
Okay, so let's get into the good stuff. What's the actual payoff for that brief moment of, this is cold? Well, it turns out the science points to at least 7 powerful benefits. Think of them as the perfect antidote to that comfort trap we were just talking about.
Benefit number 1, it instantly boosts your mood. And this is something you'll feel right away. That shock of cold water triggers this massive flood of neurotransmitters. We're talking dopamine and norepinephrine. These are your brain's feel-good chemicals, the ones tied to motivation and happiness. It's like hitting a mental reset switch before your day even gets going.
All right, number 2 is huge. You are literally building mental toughness. Every single time you make that choice to turn the knob from warm to cold, you're sending a powerful message to your brain. You're saying, I can do hard things on purpose. And that small daily win, it trains your mind to stay calm and push through when the real challenges of the day pop up.
Okay, benefit number 3 goes deeper, right into your body's plumbing. It actually improves your circulation. Here's how it works. The cold water hits your skin and bam! Your blood vessels constrict, they get tighter. Then, as your body works to warm you back up, they expand. It's this natural pumping action that over time seriously improves blood flow and gets more oxygen to every part of your body. Number 4, it reduces muscle soreness. I mean, there's a reason you see professional athletes plunging into ice baths, right? It's not just for show. Cold exposure is proven to cut down on inflammation, which means your muscles can recover way faster, whether that's after a tough workout or just from the general strain of a long day.
Moving on to benefit number 5, and this one is all about having healthier skin and hair. Think about it. That hot water feels so nice and relaxing, but what it's actually doing is stripping away all the natural protective oils from your skin and hair. Cold water, it does the exact opposite. It tightens up your pores and cuticles, which helps your skin and hair lock in and retain all that good natural moisture. Benefit number 6 is an absolute game changer for your morning routine. We're talking a massive increase in alertness and focus. That little shock of cold actually kicks your body's fight or flight response into gear, but in a totally controlled, safe way. What happens? Your breathing naturally gets deeper, your heart rate picks up a bit, and you are just instantly powerfully awake. No grogginess.
You can honestly think of it like a natural caffeine boost. But here's the difference. Unlike your morning coffee that takes a while to kick in and can lead to that dreaded afternoon crash, the cold shower gives you instant, clean alertness. There's no crash. It just sets a really stable, energetic tone for your whole morning.
And finally, benefit number 7. And honestly, this might be the most important one of all. It strengthens your stress response. See, by willingly exposing your body to a small, controlled stressor, the cold water, you're basically running drills for your nervous system. You're training it to handle real-life pressure. You know, that tough meeting, a difficult conversation, with way more control and a lot less panic.
Okay, so maybe you're sold on the why. The benefits sound great, but the how, that's the tricky part, right? How do you actually start this without it feeling like complete torture? Well, the key is super simple. You just start, simply. Please do not jump into a 5-minute ice bath on your first day. That's a recipe for quitting. Instead, just do this. Take your normal, warm shower like you always do. And then, right at the very end, turn the water cold for just 15 seconds, maybe 30 if you're feeling brave. And here's the most important part. Focus on your breathing. Don't gasp, try to keep it steady and calm. That's it. Then tomorrow, maybe go for a few more seconds.
And this really is the guiding principle you need to remember. Consistency is so much more important than intensity. It's not about being a hero and enduring the longest, coldest shower on day 1. Nope. The real, lasting benefits come from building a regular, daily habit. Small wins every day. So what's the end game here? What happens when you actually stick with this? What's the resilient result we're aiming for?
Well, when you really stick with it, you're going to notice some amazing things. Your mornings just feel sharper. Your mindset feels more controlled, Your energy becomes way more stable all day long. But the biggest shift, the most crucial one, is this. You start to get stronger because of discomfort, not just in spite of it. You start to lean into it.
I mean, just let that sink in. This is a habit that takes less than a minute, less than 60 seconds of your day. But the positive effects, they can literally ripple through your entire day every single day. That's a pretty incredible return on investment, don't you think?
So the next time you're in that shower and your hand is on the knob, just pause for a second. Because the real question this whole thing is asking you is actually pretty simple. It's, can you do hard things on purpose for your own good? The only way to find out is to turn the knob.